Hi friends, welcome again to Smart IT Creative Update channel on YouTube. Dear friends, today in this tutorial we will talk about that how can we change the theme of Google Chrome or UC browser or any website that you are using. So this is a very common steps. Follow me and don't skip the video that you will miss any important point on this video. So first of all, I will show you my website that is namely Google Chrome, and I will also show you themes its theme that I have already changed. So here I am going to open my Google Chrome. So when I am going to open my Google Chrome, it's same like this. Its theme is different from the previous time. So you can also change your Google Chrome's theme. So this is a very common steps. So first of all, you will need internet connection, and you will click on apps. After clicking apps, you will click on web store. So if you click web store, then you will click the themes. Here you will see also the themes of the Google Chrome that which you want. You can set from here. Alerts of the beautiful and beauty themes are present here. You can choose. So when you click on cool rides and themes for car lovers, and then click on view all, so you will see all of the results about your Google Chrome that now I am using this theme. You can also choose another theme from here. So now I will choose another theme. So I am going back, click on a themes, and here you will see all of the results about the Chrome's themes. So now I will choose one a beautiful theme. So this one is very beautiful. I'm using this theme, awesome theme for hiv.com, and when you click this, then you will click on add to Google Chrome. You will click this option, so then it will be download, and you will use this theme on your Google Chrome, such like I am downloading this here. From here you can see that now it is going to download on my PC, and automatically it will change your theme that which you have already chosen. So dear friends, you can also change the mouse cursors of your Google Chrome that such like hyperlink hand, and you can also choose more different very beautiful styles of mouse cursor from here. So inshallah we will also change the mouse cursors. So this is already downloaded. After downloading, you will see that it will change automatically. You can see that now it's already changed, but my theme is too much zoomed. So for this you will use control minus to minimize and zoom out keys. So I will control plus 0 to fit it. So here you can see that now my Google Chrome's theme is different, and I have already changed my Google Chrome theme. So now we are going to change the mouse cursors. So for that you will go to themes, and you will go to here. You will see extensions. You will click this. After clicking this, you will go down and you will see the mouse cursors such like custom cursor. You will click this, and here is a list. You can also choose, and you can also add to Google Chrome. So friends, you may like this video. Please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment about the video. Thanks for watching.